What's going on, man?
How are you?
Who are you looking for? You're the second guy coming to my house in like half an hour.
Are you serious?
I just bought this house, bro. I don't know who it is that's keep coming to my house.
Okay, I think there's someone that's using your home.
For what?
Like an app, like a dating app. Like a dating app.
Do I look like I need somebody to date? I mean, come on, dude.
No, sorry.
What the hell is going on?
I have no idea, sorry.